200 participants and AIA Vitality members joined us for a jolly good time with our MasterChefs, Johnathan Chu and Genevieve Lee, for 2 weekends of joyful festive treats at Compass One and Great World. We got up close and personal with the chefs while learning easy-to-make, mouth-watering recipes just in time for all our year-end feastings and gatherings. These recipes consist of healthier ingredients sponsored by Cold Storage, our healthy food partner. Check out what went on at the Healthy Food Games during each session, where participants get to win Cold Storage shopping vouchers worth $100 and more. Congratulations to our winners! What a joyful, festive time brought to you by AIA Vitality. Have a festive holiday and continue to live with vitality.